Hello guys, so today we will be opening this Safari Aphmau again. So first, I know this trend method that you can open at the back. Here's the collection and here's the plushie. Right, this one is actually very squishy. We got the giraffe. So here we got the giraffe. Now we have a new meow that can be on top.